Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Fisher-Price gym playmat, the Glow and Grow Kick and Play Piano Gym. This beautifully designed baby playmat combines fun, learning, and development all in one engaging package, perfect for newborns and growing babies. Right from the start, the Glow and Grow Kick and Play Piano Gym offers 4 different ways for your little one to play and grow. Whether your baby is lying down, doing tummy time, sitting up, or ready to take their first musical steps, this versatile gym adapts perfectly. The high-contrast arch is designed to captivate newborns with bright colors and interesting textures that encourage sensory exploration. It features 10 repositionable and linkable toys including a jingle ball, butterfly teether, crinkle toy, a self-discovery mirror, and colorful shape links, offering plenty of opportunities for your baby to touch, gaze, and engage. One of the standout features is the removable light-up piano with 5 multicolored keys. This piano is more than just a toy. It lights up with a multicolored light show and plays real piano notes, making it an interactive learning experience. With 4 musical settings and a freestyle mode, your baby can enjoy over 30 minutes of music, including the adorable Maybe song sung by the popular Purple Monkey. This feature encourages motor skills, coordination, and early musical interest from newborn to toddler. What makes this playmat truly special is the Smart Stages learning system built into it. This system offers 3 distinct levels of learning that grow with your baby. The first level is perfect for newborns, stimulating their senses with playful music, lights, and sounds. As your baby reaches around 3 months, the second level introduces animal names and sounds, helping little ones discover and identify different animals. By 6 months and beyond, the third level engages your baby with songs and phrases about colors, shapes, and numbers, sparking early cognitive development and curiosity. The playmat itself is soft and spacious, measuring about 36 by 27 inches, providing plenty of room for your baby to move around comfortably. It's also machine washable, which is a huge plus for parents dealing with the inevitable messes. The loops on the mat let you attach and rearrange toys easily to keep the environment fresh and interesting for your baby as they grow. Designed to support important developmental milestones, this play gym encourages tummy time, which strengthens neck and shoulder muscles. It also invites your baby to practice sitting and kicking, helping build gross motor skills. The sensory-rich toys and interactive piano promote sensory development and early learning in a fun, engaging way. The Glow and Grow Kick and Play Piano Gym is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move from room to room or to take along when visiting friends or family. It requires 3 Ah batteries which are included, so you can get started right away without any hassle. In summary, this Fisher-Price gym playmat stands out for its thoughtful design, versatile play options, and integrated learning stages that grow with your child. It combines music, lights, interactive toys, and educational content in a single playmat that supports sensory, motor, and cognitive development from newborn through toddlerhood. If you're looking for a baby playmat that will engage your little one at every stage and help them reach milestones while having fun, the Glow and Grow Kick and Play Piano Gym from Fisher-Price is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights. See you next time.